Right, so before I show you the drone alone, I will explain what is going to happen. First, I am going to press 1, and by pressing 1, it will take off and rotate. You will see that. Then I'll press 2, it will turn anti-clockwise, which will be so. Then it line back up, then it will be so. When it turn anti-clockwise, then 3, it will take photos in a certain movement. So it will go right, then down, then left, then back up, and at each stop, so you go right, it take a photo, down, it take a photo. Of course, so there are 4 photos right that will be taken out in that sequence. Then I'll press 4, the last sequence, which is a flip, and it will then land. So look at it now. And done.